Good morning. What's up, you guys? This is and everyone else. This is Amerska Kicks. I'm back again with another video, and I am doing another unboxing videos. So these just came in the mail last night from Foot Locker Canada. Shout out Foot Locker Canada. I'm not sure what shoes these are. I remember ordering the Denim 3s. These could be the Denim 3s, or they could be those black and kind of like Tiffany green Jordan 1 mids, but I think they canceled that order because they didn't have enough in stock. So I emailed them back, and they said we won't charge you. Um, they were like for um we won't charge you extra. So I emailed them back. I was like, can you guys just cancel my order altogether and just refund me the whole amount, because that's like $150 back in my pocket, right? So yeah, they haven't gotten back to me yet. They said it might take some time for responses and replies because of the whole COVID situation. But yeah, other than that, let's see which ones these are. I really hope that these are the Denim 3s, because I've been seeing a lot of reviews on them. So I think I may have opened them. Oh, these are the Denim 3s. I fell from the box. I did open the box upside down by accident, so, but as you can see, this is not your normal Jordan 3 box, traditional one. This is a split colorway that's half white on this side with a red Jumpman logo, and then it's like an indigo blue or like a navy blue over here with the elephant print, like the kind of concrete print. I bought these to resell. If they don't resell, I'm gonna be stuck with them probably, so I'll probably just wear them. I had a pair of Cyber Monday 3s. Those I went true to size. I went size 9. They fit good, but I wish I had a little bit more toe room. So I went half a size up. I went a 9.5, and these were easy to get on release day. So they were $10 more than your normal Jordan 3s. The official colorway is called a white, fire red, and black. Size 9.5 men's. Suggested retail 265 Canadian. Air Jordan 3 Retro SE, so special edition. That's right there. And then these are just like the UPS shipping papers that usually come in the box. And this is not your normal Jordan wrapping paper. This is like a elephant print one. I struck out on the laser oranges, so I went for these. I find they didn't make enough of the laser oranges. I tried to get them on release day. I couldn't get them, so I settled for these. But these are pretty cool. I like these. Ooh. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about, well, mixed reviews and stuff, but that's them right there. I love I was kind of, I had mixed thoughts on the Nike Air logo on the heel, but I sort of like it. I would love the Japan version of these because I have the Japanese writing on the back, but yeah, it has this clear tab on the back. It says Nike Air in red, and then it has a translucent, like, transparent Jumpman logo. Leather quality, I don't know, this may sound kind of funny, but I had a pair of Cyber Mondays and their leather quality was really plush. Some people hated them, some liked them. I don't know, I got them a little under retail. from my hometown champs back when they released, because they sat for a long time with the Black Cat sixes. I paid, I think it was 200 for them, and they were 255. Um, and yeah, sold those a few days back. They had no resale, so I was like, okay. But yeah, their leather quality isn't half bad. It's not the greatest, it's not the worst, it's decent. But I do love how they replaced the normal elephant print with denim, and then you have the red ankle collar right here at the back, and this like perforated leather. Got the red eyelets like for the laces to go through, red Jumpman logo on the tongue. Overall, I'm not upset with it. Like, I'm not mad at it. And then you got the black heel tab. Well, not heel tab, but like heel area. So it's like a split color with a white, a predominantly like mostly a white midsole, and then you got a little hit of black at the back, black sock liner on the inside, and you got white insoles. Say Nike Air in red, red on the back of the tongue, white laces. It didn't, and then that's the second time that's happened. That happened in the Zen Green Jordan 1 video. Sorry about that. My fucking phone ended up like moving. So if that's in the video, I apologize ahead of time. Um and then you got the white bottom with a little hub black, and then you got the red Nike writing there. This is the same thing with this one. There's nothing different. But yeah, I hate being stuck with sneakers if they don't resell. Then they're just bricks, right? There is profit to be made in this pair. I have seen some reselling anywhere between 3 to 350, some 4. Um, but yeah, I really don't want to be stuck with them. But if I have to be stuck with them, that's unfortunate. Oh yeah, and the most important part, I almost forgot. A lot of people think that the Air Jordan 3 actually just has the air unit window right here. But what I found out recently is some people don't know this, but the Air Jordan 3 actually has an air unit in the forefoot. It's not visible, but apparently they have one in the forefoot. It may not feel like it, but apparently it has one. But the one that everyone knows about is the visible one in the back right here. But that was my video today, guys. Much love. I've been waiting to get these in. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Um, like, comment, subscribe if you want to. We're at 307 right now. If we can get to 350, maybe even 4 soon, that'd be great. You can also find me on Instagram, and you can also find me on here on YouTube. You can find me on Snapchat if you want to. And I'm also on TikTok. So yeah, take care. I'm out. Peace. Bye.